What's up? We are back.
1, 2, 3, pick it up now!
We're at ID Athletic where we're picking up some uniforms for the big show.
Jasmine!
There's Jasmine.
Oh, no,
Oh.
title. What is it? Nice.
Oh, got our merch. Oh, look at the hoodie. Wow. The Lavers. Yeah. Dope. Alright, look at that. We got our Lavers hats.
Woo, woo. Guys, the merch is here.
Wow, didn't we just go collect it together as a family?
Guys, should we unbox the merch?
Yeah! No. By the way, guys, I'm blind.
Oh, okay. Alright, Dirty, let's go.
My goodness. What is it, Sonny?
It's a light.
Alright, what's the first thing out of the box?
Got this one with the green bottom.
What do we got there?
Got this one with the normal bottom.
Yeah, nice. And mesh back. Alright, what's next, Sonny?
And the hoodies. I mean,
Oh, hoodies or hoodies?
hoodies.
Whoa, that looks pretty good.
What the heck? Oh,
Are you there yet?
yeah.
Oh, there you are. How's your one fit?
Good.
Alright, Mum, what do we got next?
What have we got here? I don't even know. Let's have a look. Bam!
Ooh.
Bam!
The Lavers.
You know, they didn't make these buttons for kids, did they? Alright, let's have a feel. Alright, so there's that thing. I won't do all the buttons up, but that's what it looks like. Ghostface Laver. I've got you a hat. Hey guys. Open her up. Alright. Oh, look at that. That looks like my size probably.
Okay, now I know how
Oh, look at you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Give me the stance. Instagram. Oh, that's 2021. All right, looking good.
Good.
All that's left to do is dance. See if they actually work on the floor. Let's go.
Let me tell you about ooh.
Well, they work. Make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And we've got some good news. We are currently creating a website where you can purchase some of this cool stuff for yourself. That's at www.wearethelavers.com.au. Make sure you turn on notifications. Ding, ding, ding. Do it for your country.
Do it for your country.
Do it for your country.